In this video, you will learn how to set 44 moving average in Tradingview. Open Tradingview, then log into your account. Access the Tradingview platform on your browser or app, then sign in. Open a chart for your chosen asset. Use the search bar to find a stock or crypto or other asset, then click open for its chart. Click on the indicator button at the top. This opens the indicator or search panel where you can add tools to your chart. Search for moving average, then select it. Type moving average and click add to add a default MA line to your chart. Click the gear icon on the MA line, then edit your settings. In the length field, type 44 to set the period and customize the style if you like it. Click OK or choose the settings panel. Your chart will now display the 44 period moving line average based on your selected asset time frame. Now you know how to set a 44 moving average in Tradingview. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.